everybody. I'm Brianna Welch.
And I'm Heidi Doyle.
And today we're reading a special book for a little girl named Ari. Hey, Ari. We heard that you really like funny books.
Mm-hmm.
So the book we chose today is called Interrupting Chicken. When I first heard this book, I was laughing so hard. It's become one of my favorites. So I hope you like it too. So Interrupting Chicken by Ezra.
It's funny. It was bedtime for the little red chicken. "Okay, my little chicken," said Papa. "Are you ready to go to sleep?"
Yes, Papa. But you forgot something.
"What's that?" asked Papa. "All right," said Papa. "I'll read one of your favorites. And of course, you are not going to interrupt the story tonight, are you?"
Oh, no, Papa. I'll be good.
Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel were very hungry. Deep in the woods they found a house made of candy. Nibble, nibble, nibble. They began to eat the house until the old woman who lived there came out and said, "What lovely children! Why don't you come inside?" They were just about to follow her when out...
Chicken, and she said, "Don't go in. She is a witch." So Gretel did it. The end.
"Chicken," said Papa.
Yes, Papa?
"You interrupted the story. Try not to get so involved."
I'm sorry, Papa, but she really was a witch.
"Well, you're supposed to be relaxing so you can fall asleep.
Let's try another story. I'll be good.
Okay. Little Red Riding Hood. "Take this basket of goodies to Grandma," said Little Red Riding Hood's mother. "But don't stray from the path. The woods are full of danger." Red Riding Hood skipped along through the deep woods. By and by she met a wolf who wished her good morning. She was about to answer him when
Don't talk to Little Red Chicken, and she said, "Don't talk to strangers." So Little Red Riding Hood did it. The end.
"Chicken,
Yes, Papa?
you did it again. You interrupted 2 stories and now you're not even sleepy."
I know, Papa. I'm sorry, but he was a mean old wolf.
"Yes, now get back into bed."
Okay, Papa. Let's try one more little story, and I'll be good.
Chicken Little. Chicken Little was hit on the head by an acorn. "The sky is falling," she thought. She was about to run off and warn Goosey Lucy, Ducky Lucky, Henny Penny, and everyone on the farm that the sky was falling when...
Out jumped the Little Red Chicken, and she said, "Don't panic. That was just an acorn." So the little chicken did it. The end.
"Chicken,
Yes, Papa?
you did it again."
Oh, Papa. I couldn't let the little chicken get all upset over an acorn. Please read one more story, and I promise I'll
chicken, said Papa. We are out of stories.
No, Papa, I can't go to sleep without a story.
Then, oh, said Papa, yawning, oh, why don't you tell me a story?
Me tell a story? Said the little red chicken. Okay, Papa, here we go. Bedtime for Papa by chicken. Once there was a little red chicken who put her papa to bed. She read him 100 stories. She even gave him warm milk. But nothing worked. He stayed wide awake all night. Papa? Night, Papa.
The end. Wait.
You enjoyed that story?
And that you don't interrupt.
And if you liked that one, there's another really great interrupting chicken one too.
Ooh.
Maybe we can read that another time.
Maybe. Thanks for listening.
Bye, Ari.